Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I've started a series in which I take up daily English conversational topics and I try to speak on it along with related vocabularies, phrases, sentences, and small write-up so that you can practice shadowing also in this session. So if you're watching this session, you will get to know related vocabularies on the topic, what phrases you can use, what sentences you can construct, and how to speak in English about that topic, right? So this will make things very easy for you guys. This is a whole package. So every day, every single day, if you take my sessions and start practicing in this way, you will definitely be able to speak in English fluently and confidently in 30 days for sure. But you have to be regular, you have to be consistent. So guys, I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Now let's get back to the topic. So here I simplify everything for you. You don't have to think about the vocabulary, you don't have to think how you can start your sentence with, what sentences you can come up with, how to put up in an organized way. I will give you everything step by step. You have to just follow and pick up things like how it is spoken, how we talk about any topic, right? So if you start practicing it in this way for 30 days, you will be able to understand how to talk on any topic with anyone, anywhere in English. Okay, now today's topic is very simple. It's summers and it's vacation time. So we are also going on vacation. So I'm going to talk about summer vacation today. So what is my plan, what I'm going to do, etc., etc. So my topic is summer vacation or my summer vacation plans. Now let's talk about the related vocabulary. Vacation or holiday. Time off for travel or rest. Okay, that is called vacation or holiday. Destination. The place you travel to. Okay, next. Beach or hill station. Generally in summers we go to beach or hill stations, which is common summer places. These are common summer places. Beaches or hill station. Sightseeing. Visiting famous places. Resort or hotel. Place to stay. Okay, we generally book a resort or we stay in a hotel, book a hotel room. Okay, these are the places to stay on a vacation, on a holiday. Adventure activities. Now, when you go to a hill station or a beach, there are lots of activities, adventure activities like swimming, boating, skydiving, banana ride, etc., etc., paragliding, etc., etc. Relax or unwind. We do go for a vacation to relax or unwind, which means rest and feel fresh. Okay. Itinerary, travel plan. Souvenirs. We do buy souvenirs from a place. What is it? Things you buy to remember a place. Right? Lots of souvenirs which are sold. So we buy souvenirs to remember that place. Right? If we go to Agra, we buy a Taj Mahal miniature or a keyring, etc. So that is a souvenir which we buy from there. Local culture. Traditions and lifestyle of a place is called local culture. Okay, so these are the related vocabularies which we can speak about our summer vacation plans or summer vacation trip. Okay, now let's come to the phrases. Phrases are basically, complete sentences. But here what we are doing is we are trying to take up phrases so that, you can fill it up with your own words to complete that sentence. Okay, so we should know how to start a sentence with basically. Okay, so these are phrases. The first one is, I usually spend my summer vacation dash. I usually spend my summer vacation at my hometown. Or I usually spend my summer vacation in a hill station. Anything you want to add on. Next. This year I decided to visit dash. So this year I decided to visit a beach. Or this year I decided to visit a new place, whatever you want to just complete the sentence. Okay. So here what you can do is, as I'm trying to complete these phrases or sentences in my own words, you can also start practicing in this way. You can also come up with different words to fill in the blanks, to make your own sentences about your summer vacation. Okay, so this is an activity you can start practicing along with this session. Okay, so this is your task. Next, one of the best parts of my trip was having local food or watching the sunset at the beach. Anything you can add there. Okay, next. I really enjoyed my trip, my vacation, my holiday. Anything you can say. The weather was very cool, or the weather was very nice, or the weather was very pleasant, or the weather was very cold. Anything you can speak about. I got a chance to explore local markets. I got a chance to explore local markets or local cuisine or local tradition and culture. Another sentence is, or phrase is, it was a refreshing and memorable experience. Now here you don't have to add anything. This is a complete sentence you can use as it is. It was a refreshing and memorable experience. Next, I would love to visit again. This is again a phrase which you can use as it is. I would love to visit the place again, or I would love to visit again. Okay, so this is how you can talk about your vacation with the help of phrases. Okay, now let's get to the third part of the session, which is shadowing practice. So I'm going to come up with a write-up or a script, and you can start practicing along with me or after me, whichever is convenient for you. Okay, this script is on your screen. Summer vacation is one of the most enjoyable times of the year. It is a perfect opportunity to relax and take a break from daily routine. This year, I decided to spend my summer vacation in a beautiful hill station. The weather there was cool and pleasant, which was a big relief from the heat. I enjoyed sightseeing and visited many scenic places. One of the best parts of my trip was trying the local food and exploring the culture. I also spent time relaxing and taking pictures of nature. It was a refreshing and memorable experience for me. I returned home feeling happy and energized. I would love to visit again in the future. So this was a small script which I came up with related to the vocabulary and phrases which I've just spoken about. Okay, now what you can do is you can also think of some more vocabulary or words, maybe a little simpler words and vocabulary, and you can start making sentences with that to add to this script. Okay, or else you can come up with your own script also, right? You can come up with your own sentences, own vocabulary, or you can take up some of these along with your own, and then you can come up with a new script as well. There are many things you can add here, right? You can talk about different things, what you have eaten there, what you have seen there, what did you shop there, right? What did you find most attractive? What did you find not very good? So there's some goods, bads, everything is there, right? How was your resort stay? How was your hotel? Right? So how was your travel experience? So you can talk about a lot of things here. Start thinking about, you have to give some 5-10 minutes to think on this topic. Like what else you can add here, or your summer vacation simply, and just talk about it. Trust me on this, guys, it is not difficult at all. There are lots of topics which you can take up. As I have discussed, you can take up any of these topics and you can start talking about it. right? It's just that vocabulary is something which you need to take care of. We can't talk about anything and everything in a general way. We have to pick up some words related to it so that it sounds more like you're speaking on that particular topic, or it sounds more like you are putting efforts to speak on that topic. It should reflect that, right? So start practicing in this way and you will see a lot of difference in 30 days. You don't have to do anything. You just have to follow my sessions. This is a series I have come up with and I'm going to continue it as long as possible. I'm going to pick up simple, basic, daily conversational topics and I'm going to speak on it in this way. Related vocabulary, phrases, sentences, and then a script so that you can practice shadowing also along. And apart from that, you can come up with your own sentences, you can come up with your own vocabulary, you can come up with your own script also. Try that as well. Okay, it will give a new dimension to it and you will be able to start thinking in English also. Your brain will also start thinking in English and it will help you to become more confident and fluent in speaking in English in this way. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.